Everything starts with a single tomato.
Look at these beauties! Only the best tomatoes survive the wash, ready to become the ketchup you love. High-speed machines, perfect precision, zero mistakes.
The tomato enters the crusher. First impact, juice flows.
Welcome to the ultimate ketchup factory, where fresh tomatoes are about to become something legendary.
Fresh tomatoes arrive daily at the processing facility. Workers quickly unload crates from the trucks. The ripe tomatoes begin their journey on the conveyor.
The first big impact.
In the heart of industry, raw power stirs. Ingredients pour like molten rivers, fusing in the forge of creation. Blades churn with relentless force, awakening the essence within. Buckle up, because the full ketchup process is about to blow your mind. High-speed machines, perfect precision, zero mistakes. The packaging line flows with precision. Conveyors move products at high speed. Stacks build with controlled efficiency. The final lineup is ready for shipment. This is where the journey ends. From fresh tomatoes to this rich, irresistible perfection. Every drop crafted with precision, every bottle filled with, and now it's on your plate. This is not just ketchup. This is perfection.